On.
Hello guys, it's me Diya Meghani from Julilal Trust School and Junior College, Secondary Section, English Medium, presenting PPT on 10 successful businesswomen in India. First personality to whom I'm talking about is Radhika Agarwal. Radhika Agarwal is an internet entrepreneur and India's first woman to enter the Unicorn Club. She is the co-founder of online marketplace ShopClues, established in 2011 in Silicon Valley. Currently, she serves as the Chief Business Officer of the company. Next, move to the next personality, Chitra Ramkrishna. Chitra Ramkrishna was the first woman managing director and chief executive officer of the National Stock Exchange and Institute founder in the early 1900s to reform the capital market in India. Next, we have Shada Sharma. Shada Sharma is the founder and CEO of Your Story, a digital media platform for startups and entrepreneurs. Before starting Your Story in 2008, Sharda served as Assistant Vice President at CNBC TV 18 and also a brand advisor at the Times of India. Next, move to now we have very famous personality Shahnaz Hussain. Shahnaz Hussain is the founder and chairperson and managing director of the Shahnaz Hussain Group in India. She was received international acclaim for pioneering the herbal beauty care movement and talking the Indian herbal heritage of Ayurveda. Next, move to the next personality, Suchi Mukherjee. Suchi Mukherjee is the founder and CEO of online shopping portal limited LimeRoad.com, which was founded in 2012. She was among the 15 women voted for Rising Talent Global Leaders Under 40 at the World Women Forum in Paris in 2010 for her contribution in scaling businesses, encouraging customer and technology. Next, move to the next personality. Naina Lal Kidwai is an Indian banker, chartered accountant, and business executive. She was formerly a group general manager and country head of HSBC India. She is also a former president of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Now let's move to the next personality we have, Indra Nui. Indra Nui is an Indian American business executive and former chairperson and chief ranked among the chief executive officer of PepsiCo. She has consistently ranked among the world's 100 most powerful women. Now, next personality we have Kiran Mazumdar Shaw is an Indian billionaire entrepreneur. She is the chairperson and managing director of Beacon Limited. Guys, this was not an end of successful women. Now we have much more. But today, up to here. Thank you.